Hey everybody, I'm Drew Allen with Idaho Ducks Unlimited, and you have probably seen, and if you haven't, I'm sorry, it's my bad, but you should see the Great Northwest Outdoor Expo coming to the Idaho Center, right? Yeah. In about 3.5 weeks, June 29th through July 1st. This is definitely not your traditional trade show. We have a trade show aspect of it in the Idaho Center arena, but I'm in the parking lot because we're taking over a portion of the parking lot with ATV tracks. Honda and Suzuki are coming in. They're gonna, this whole section, you see that guy way back over there in the Jeep that's wandering over there? So from about this lamp post here, all the way across here, to 20,000 square foot each dirt tracks. You can come out and test drive the latest Suzuki or Honda ATVs. If you've ever been here to the Idaho Center, when you come up to that front gate, you typically do ticketing and enter up there. Well, we're moving the ticketing and the gates all the way back here to about halfway down this row so that you can experience the ATVs from this left side of the parking lot all the way down is Camping World, RVs everywhere, as far as the eye can see, all the way down the parking lot that way. This is big. It's a big footprint. It's much bigger than anything that we've ever done, that Ducks Unlimited has done out here. We've done them back east and in the Midwest over the years, but we've never done one out west or in Idaho for that matter. So because we haven't ever done it here, I have to talk and explain it to you because I can't show you yet, but I really want you to come so you can experience it. Let's wander up the hill and I'm gonna point and direct and show you more places and more things that we have going on. So we're here at the main entrance. This is gonna be the new main entrance. All of this is gonna be gated off. You're gonna actually enter and ticket here. ATVs over here, giant dirt tracks. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so check this out. This is our map. I will show a graphic of this here in a second, but to give you an idea, we are here right now. ATV track, rock crawling track. The Idaho 4x4 Association with their big giant Jeeps and lifted things that crawl up rocks like this. They're gonna be doing demonstrations, so you definitely gotta come check that out. When you come up to this main entrance, I'm gonna walk up there in a second, but we've got an elk calling contest right here up in the grass. So come and check that out. Get registered if you think you're a champion elk bugler. Corey Jacobson, Paul Medell, and Julie McQueen are our celebrity judges. So if nothing else, come get some great feedback on your calling skills from some very talented outdoorsmen, elk buglers. This is all being presented by Peterson, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, and Cryptek. So Peterson's gonna have a big giant display right up here when you get up to the top of the Idaho Center Arena main entrance. Big cool giveaways. The Great Northwest Outdoor Expo is put on by Ducks Unlimited, and for all you Ducks Unlimited, Idaho Ducks Unlimited, or Ducks Unlimited in general members, if you got your May and June issue, you could open up to page 66 and see the ad for this event. This went out to over 600,000 addresses across the country. So anyways, check this out. If you need more info, it's in here. Here at the Idaho Center, and our elk bugling calling contest stage is gonna be right out here in this open, cool, grassy area. Corey Jacobson, Julie McQueen, Paul Medell judging, and we'll have bleachers set up right out there with some cool shade, military grade camo netting so it won't be too hot. There's beer garden, there's food vendors, there's up the hill here. You come in and there's an atmosphere. It's an experience, not a trade show where you just wander around and take brochures from a booth, but very interactive. Manufacturers, owners of these businesses that are bringing all their latest and greatest in outdoor equipment, and cooking seminars from our chefs that are all outdoor chefs. I gotta explain how cool this is gonna be. Peterson's gonna be right here. They have an awesome tent trailer over the bed of the truck giveaway. They're giving away coolers. Cordova Coolers is one of our sponsors, manufactured right here in Nampa, Idaho. So if for nothing else, come support our local businesses that are in the outdoor industry. This event is really geared towards Anybody that wants to either learn how to get outside, hunt, fish, camp, hike, you've been doing it for years, but you want to learn about the latest and greatest gear, or you're a seasoned veteran and you just want to come and check out what other people are doing, you're in the industry, Les Schwab Tires, also a sponsor. We appreciate their support. So now imagine you've come through ATVs, camping world, RVs, the elk bugling contest is going on. You've come up here and you see these badass trucks set up here. So if you've ever been to an event or a concert here, you know that normally ticketing is right here. We're moving all this. And when you come in, now you're gonna have vendors, different exhibitors. Idaho Central Credit Union right here with their cash machine. Come win some cash. All these concession stands out here, food and beverage, beer, soft drinks, waters, whatever you want. It's all gonna be out here. Then imagine this. We've got the National Guard bringing out different vehicles that they're gonna have on display lining this rim. We have luxury RVs that'll be out here that you can tour. They'll be on display. Down here in the bottom of the amphitheater, DockDogs, the dog diving competition will be going on right here. More Ram pickups and Jeeps. I mean, this thing is like just a giant event, and there's tons of stuff to do. We're selling individual day passes, but we're also selling 3-day passes, and we honestly think that there's gonna be so many things going on, there's no way you're gonna be able to get through it all in one day. So between indoor and outdoor, we've got over 100 exhibitors coming from all over the Northwest. Girls with Guns clothing company out of California. We have Tangle Free, the waterfowl decoy manufacturer out of California, coming up and showing off all their cool stuff. Like I was saying, we got local businesses, Peterson Cryptek, Cordova Coolers. Honda is coming up from California, Honda Corporate. Suzuki's coming up, Suzuki Corporate. Big, cool, big ass displays. Sportsman's Warehouse is bringing Green Mountain Grills and Andy Allen, pit boss, barbecue grill backyard. He's won Jack Daniel's reserve champion, 11 titles, blah, 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 on and on and on. This guy's awesome. We're selling a limited amount of tickets to his 4-hour backyard grilling class. So you definitely want to get in on that. Get your tickets early for that. You can go to the website, northwestoutdoorexpo.com, to register and get tickets. I've also got from North Idaho, Buck Knives, CJ Buck, the CEO of Buck Knives. He'll be here. He's putting on a seminar. They'll have a booth. You can buy their awesome products here at the trade show. We've got some local outdoor chefs that'll be here. Chef in the Wild, Chef Randy King, Chef Steve Weston in the Wild Chef, not to be confused with Randy. We've got Steven Athay, Live Wild, Eat Wild. He's coming up from Salt Lake. Jules McQueen will be here as one of our celebrity judges of the Elk Calling Contest. She's also putting on 2 different seminars throughout the event. She's a personality TV host, and you've probably seen her on Carbon TV. She's got a new series out right now. Did I mention there's going to be beer? There's a beer garden. Likely, we're still planning this out, but likely right up here on the amphitheater, beer garden. Come check out the DockDogs diving competition. Sit in the lawn. If you think about it, it's kind of like a big fair, a big expo, a big carnival, a big event that you can just come and hang out. And some of our seminars include predator calling, turkey calling, waterfowl calling. Corey Jacobson, 10-time world champion elk bugler, is putting on a seminar called Your Path to Elk Hunting Success. You don't want to miss that one. I saw him present it earlier this year in Boise. Standing room only. Shows you how to bugle, shows you how the elk know where the wind and the drafts and when they do this and when they do that, and what this call means and how you need to be aggressive in returning that call. And he's awesome. He lives elk hunting. Elk101.com is his website. If you're not a member, I definitely suggest you get signed up for that.
Do you have to pay for parking?
No, Ray, you don't have to pay for parking. Parking this year is free.
Yay!
Now we swing around to the other side of the amphitheater. Down in here, we're gonna fill up that whole corner with water and set up a pond for the Idaho Bow Fishing Association, some boat demonstrations, some dog retriever demonstrations, all kinds of cool stuff down here, bleachers. So plan to be here for the whole day, 2 days, whatever. There's just so many things going on. I'm wandering around swinging Ducks Unlimited swag. We also are going to have a DU merchandise booth inside. So if you've ever wanted a DU hat or a DU water bottle or whatever other stuff we come up with.
Tell them what DU is.
DU is Ducks Unlimited.
But what does Ducks Unlimited do?
Ducks Unlimited is the world leader in wetlands and wildlife conservation. So the whole point of this event is to educate on outdoors and getting outdoors and enjoying the outdoors, but also conserving the outdoors for generations to come. So this is a fundraiser for Ducks Unlimited, but it's also our way of getting the community involved, explaining, educating about getting outside, what it means, how to do it, what equipment, what fun toys, you know, what are the necessities. Maybe they're not necessities, but they're really cool. They make your experience outdoors even better. We've worked with our partners in the outdoor industry and gotten some really cool raffle items and silent auction items that will only be available here. But Onyx Maps, the application for showing you property boundaries, what's public, what's private. They've donated all kinds of cool membership cards for us that we'll be giving away at the event. Mountain Ops donated an entire year's supply that will be of protein powder for getting outdoors, getting fit for hunting, elk hunting, hiking. I think I need to put my name in on this one. It's a little dark in here right now, but picture this entire floor down here full of different exhibitors. Cryptek will have a booth. Working on getting the NRA's Cryptek Minotaur truck that they're selling raffle tickets to, having it here for our event specifically. Idaho Fish and Game will be here putting on different seminars. We have an outdoor film festival that's touring the country coming in, and we're setting up a big theater down on one end. We'll have archery down on this tunnel down here so you can come shoot. VIP social for our exhibitors up in the rodeo club on Thursday and Saturday nights. Just tons and tons and tons of outdoor industry businesses, people, and you're all invited to come June 29th through July 1st. Right now we have a promotion going on Facebook. If you like our page, tag a friend, and buy your Expo tickets online at ictickets.com, you'll be entered for a chance to win a large Cordova cooler. Big, industrial strength, bear proof, awesome, made right here in Nampa. So get in, get your tickets, get entered, and we'll see you here at the end of June. So to wrap it all up, definitely got to do a big shout out to our sponsors. Without them, we wouldn't be bringing you this awesome show. Presented by Peterson and Cryptek. And our host sponsors are the Nampa Chamber of Commerce. Thank you very much. Honda, Pepper Shock, that's me and Ray behind the camera, and our whole team put together all the marketing and the website and the logo and the video and the, oh my God. It's been a labor of love. 2 years we've been talking with people and building and planning, and super excited to bring this to Idaho, to Nampa. Cradle Point is providing the internet for all our exhibitors. Les Rob Tires is helping us bring in the rock crawling guys. Visit Idaho, Idaho Tourism and the Department of Commerce. They're helping us do some advertising and helping us pay for some of that. Allied Business Solutions bringing in all of our computers and printers in our ops center so we can have our team behind the scenes putting this all together for you during those 3 days. Birds of Prey Motorsports, they're helping bring out some cool stuff to see in Cordova coolers. They've donated a ton of coolers for us to give away. They are presenting the Elk Calling Contest, helping bring all of that together. You can go to ictickets.com to get tickets, because that's why it's called IC Tickets, because they sell tickets. So get your tickets. Please go buy your tickets. Thank you.